yourself under one of those. High pressure to our east and aloft in the Gulf, that is going to start to shift to the south, as will this high. It goes more to the east. So that allows some room for this messy corridor of rain in the Mississippi Valley and Tennessee River region to move closer to our area. So that has some implications on how our weather will be changing over the next day or so. Tomorrow morning at sunrise or thereabouts, scattered clouds and some sunshine gets through. By midday, we get some effects from the sea breeze and the overall south wind to push clouds more inland. That can cause a wind convergence, and that can build a few isolated showers in the I-75 corridor. But that front to the northwest of us gets closer to the tri-state through the afternoon and evening. This will warrant better coverage of rain and some embedded thunderstorms for tri-state areas. I think for the broader extent of the region, Saturday evening, night, and early Sunday morning is when we encounter the more widespread, if you will, rain coverage, with maybe a lesser chance for thunderstorms in the early Sunday morning hours. But the later you go towards the pool, the more likely you can have some interference by nature and those thunderstorms. So maybe pick the morning to get a suntan and maybe jump in the pool if it's ready for you. Some thunderstorms will have downpours that can enhance wind gusts and even a chance for some small hail. I think that chance is a little more prevalent across the tri-state area, Lake Seminole County, southwest Georgia. Not a widespread severe weather issue, but some of those will certainly be a nuisance and can have some localized hazards with rain totals that can be on the healthier side through Sunday. And Sunday's rain activity will be favoring more eastern areas as that front lingers for a bit. Then we get a dry surge from Monday, just in time to go back to work, right? But that's how the pattern will shape up for us with more sunshine to start the work week. Lows tonight, mid to upper 60s, and highs tomorrow, they'll be affected by clouds and showers, so mostly mid 80s, some upper 80s in the Swanee Valley. Dry air on Monday morning will push lows into the 50s, maybe for 1 or 2 mornings next week.